Lizzie. 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 Can you say hi, Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. That's not hi. That's screaming. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Hi. She's tired. It's past her bedtime. It's 8 o'clock. Trying to keep her up late so that we can get her to sleep through the night. Lizzie, can you say hi, Daddy? Hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Like her hair from her bath? Nice, huh? It won't brush down. Say hi, Daddy. Lizard. Lizard. Hey, Daddy, Mommy got me this extra saucer for $15. Cool, huh? She's a good shopper. Hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Oh yeah, she stood up by herself today for like 4 seconds. She stood up on me and then she just let go and she was standing there. Say hi, Daddy. Okay, we're gonna go. We love you. Good night.